From my Audacity, I'm clicking on Edit and opening Preferences. In here, selecting Libraries. And here we can see FFmpeg, not font problem. So all you have to need to fix it, just click on this download option. And you directly jump into your browser. In here, scroll down and select your computer operating system. So I'm using Windows computer, so I'm selecting Windows computer, and here we can see the download link. So all you have to need, just click on this download installer. In this page, scroll down and come to this section, and here I'm selecting 64-bit Windows exe to download. So just click on that. Here we can see it's downloading. Once downloaded, launch the installer on your PC. Select I accept the agreement, click on next, and click on install. Then click on finish. Then go back to your Audacity, again click on edit, again go to preferences, select libraries, and this time click on locate, click on yes, click on browse, and now here we have to select this DLL file. If you don't see this DLL file in here, then go to this PC, open local disk C drive, open program files folder. In here, scroll down and search for FFmpeg for Audacity folder. Open this folder. In this folder here, you will find this DLL file. Just select the file and tap on OK. Click on OK. And click on OK. Now I'm again going to edit, preferences, libraries, and here we can see the FFmpeg library not found problem already fixed. So that's it for now.